Imagine it as a garden. You plant the seeds but you don't abandon it. You water it, remove weeds, ensure it gets enough sunlight. Dr. Samuel suggests implementing an organized tracking system, maybe a spreadsheet where you record income, expenses, and net profit per passive income stream. This allows you to see what's performing well and what needs tweaking. Look into automating as much as possible. Using tools and software can help streamline your processes. If you own a rental property, consider property management software. If you're in affiliate marketing, use an automated tracking platform. Dr. Samuel also emphasizes diversification. Having multiple income streams can provide a safety cushion. If one stream dries up, you'll have others as a fallback. Remember, passive income isn't completely hands-off. Stay updated about the industries where your income originates from. If you've invested in stocks, stay informed about market trends. If you're earning from a blog, keep up with SEO best practices. And importantly, don't ignore taxes. Passive income is taxable. Ensure you set aside a portion of your earnings for tax season. This way, you won't be taken by surprise.